How to redeem 16-digit code on Xbox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem 16-digit code on Xbox. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Press the Xbox button to open the guide while signed into the console with the account you want to apply the code to. Now, from the guide, select the store option and further, once you have opened, press the view button on the controller to open the side menu. Now go ahead and select the redeem option, and if you entered the code correctly, then your code will be redeemed. So, this is how you can redeem 16-digit code on Xbox. If you found the video helpful, smash the like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.